All right, Dave, I just read an email that you sent me.
Yep.
You picked up on a comment that somebody left under one of our previous videos, and you thought we should share this with our audience. Go ahead and read the comment or just summarize it for us here.
So I believe it was on our Q&A video with the snowblowers that we had a couple of weeks back.
Yeah.
And one of the comments, and I had never thought about this before. I think I know the answer to it, but in my opinion, if someone is thinking about that,
Yeah.
there's probably other people that are thinking the same thing. So in summary, the question was, can I use my snowblower to backfeed my house or act as a generator? So I believe the intent that they were, or what they were curious about was this electric starter.
Mm-hmm.
Is there a way that it can be engaged and run in a way to output electricity versus only as an input for the starter?
No, you can't do that. I think probably what the guy meant, because I did read the question that you sent to me that you took from our comments. I think what the guy thought too is that you could take a plug, and
Right.
I'll show an HD clip right now.
So here's a close-up view, guys, of what we're exactly talking about. Somebody was asking if you can plug your electrical cord into the starter socket of your snowblower engine, leave it plugged in there when the engine's running, put a female plug at the other end of the same cord, and power an appliance at the end of it.
The guy was wondering if you plug it in the starter and then you got that plug at the other end, if you could plug an appliance in here,
Right.
and it would run.
Right.
The bottom line is no.
No.
Even if the starter was spinning the whole time, it still would not make power to power something out of there. So basically, when you start your snowblower and the machine's running, that starter stops spinning.
Right.
That's it. It's
So,
not a generator.
okay. So I think the way you explained it to me before is that when this is plugged in, and you're using it to start the snowblower, what happens is this starter has a gear that basically jumps forward and engages the flywheel
Exactly.
on the engine. So,
Exactly.
and once it starts, that gear retracts. Or sorry, once you stop powering the starter, that gear retracts and is no longer engaged. Therefore, it's not spinning.
Exactly. That's the simple answer. And as always on our videos here, we answer any question, no matter how basic it is or how intermediate it is. Yeah, so don't try this at home, guys, because it can be dangerous, hazardous. You would probably end up damaging your starter if you somehow pulled out the gear so that it spins the whole time that the machine's running. Just don't do it. It's not a generator. That's the bottom line.
Yeah, they make generators for a reason.
They do. They do. Basically, just use it to start your snowblower, and that's it.
Sounds good.
All right. Thanks, Dave, for bringing out that question. And anybody watching, no matter what your question is, you can send it to us through comments. You can send it to me at donnyboy73.com. I can mention your name in our video here when we answer questions. And if you prefer to remain anonymous, I can do that as well. All right. Thanks a lot, Dave. And thanks, everybody, for watching. And you will see us in our next video. Have a great day.
Take care.